Good morning, Richard Eckley here. Happy Monday morning to you. Rotate device. I don't know that's about. I don't need to go back again. No, it's fine. Phone's played out this morning. There we are, so fine. So everyone, a Health Monday on your 4 keys to a healthier, happier you. And the question was, when it comes to your health, do you think of health problems or health solutions? Because quite often it's actually been proven that we actually do become what we think about. And if we start to get a bit of a cold, perhaps you have a headache or a runny nose, or we're feeling a little bit run down, how we think about things affects us on a massive part, as opposed to just what that bug is. We may have picked up, say, a small bug from our kids or from a workmate or something like that, and we start to feel not well. And our mindset then can actually kick in a huge thing to help us actually get better or get worse. Because if you're thinking, oh God, I'm going to get a cold, I'm going to feel worse, you actually think about the symptoms of what you're going to have, the cold. I'm going to have a runny nose, I'm going to feel tired, I'm going to have a headache, I'm going to feel lethargic. And you actually bring on those symptoms. But if you think, well, no, I haven't got time for this, if you've got other things going on in your life, you think, I haven't got time to be ill, quite often you won't become ill, because what happens is you kick in your immune system's response to the flu or the cold, whatever the bug you've picked up, and that fights it more strongly. It sends more stuff to it to help actually generate better cells, better blood, to actually prevent your immune system, actually build it up. And actually how we think about things can actually change whether we do get a cold or don't get a cold or get a flu or it becomes worse. Because if often, as I said before, if you think about something, you go more down that path. So if you're thinking, oh yes, I'm feeling bad, I'm not feeling well, I'm feeling tired. It's like if you're feeling tired, you think, oh yeah, I am feeling tired, God, I'm really feeling tired. You start to feel tired and you feel more tired. And if you think to yourself, oh, I start to feel tired, oh, I'm feeling better now, I'm going to do something to actually flick your mind switch across. So perhaps you have some fruit, or you have something that's actually going to build you up, drink some water, have something to give you some energy, you feel better. And it's not just, it's just partly taking the action which does it, but it's how you're thinking about things. And that's what changes it as well. So if you start to think more healthily, if you sort of get over a cold, think, right, we'll have some orange juice, have some vitamin C. And again, that'll help you again that way. So it's how we think about things, because then we'll take the action the right direction. If we think, oh, I'm going to be ill, I'm not going to be well, we actually have to get in that way. And if we think, oh, I'm going to be healthy, I'm going to be better, as soon as you get a small sort of, say, a feel of a runny nose or a bit of a headache, you take some actions to prevent that. You get your mindset thinking, no, I'm going to be healthy, I'm going to feel well, I'm feeling good. And that's a massive thing, especially in the mornings when we sort of get up first thing. If you sort of wake up in the morning, just be grateful for a couple of things. Think of three or four things. Be grateful for that day. Just in the morning, it could be just the kids. You got a roof over your head. You got family. You got work. Just those little things. It sets your day off on a much better level, because you're starting off on gratitude, being grateful for things you've already got. And that's massive. That is huge. Because so many times you sort of get up and think, oh God, got to go to work, and we'll have to do this and you have to do that, and you set yourself on a negative path before you even start your day. So if you think, oh yeah, well no, yeah, I slept okay last night, my family's okay, I'm feeling okay, kids are okay, partner's okay, house is okay, work is okay. There's so many things that are okay. We take them for granted. So that's another thing as well, to help with the health. If you're feeling well in yourself, you're feeling more confident, more comfortable, you often don't get these illnesses and bugs, because your mind and your body is in a better place. So when you are tired, you run down, and then you start to focus on these areas, when you actually start to feel more ill, pick up more bugs, and get sort of on the negative path, because you're feeling it, and your mindset is controlling that, which is amazing how he does control our bodies. So our thought today rather is, are you on a problem thought or a solution thought? If you sort of start to feel a bit ill, do you think, right, what can I take to make myself feel better? What can I do to help myself? It could be something natural, it could be take some medicine, it could be a paracetamol, it could be something just to help you feel better. But if you start to head down that path of, oh yeah, I'm going to actually prevent it and make myself feel better, then if you think, oh God, if you start to sort of research some things, sometimes it says, it's always a negative thing. If you research something, if you've got some bug or some illness, and you look on Google for that symptoms, it always gives you about 100 things which are really bad, and you're thinking, oh my God, I'm going to have this, which is 9 times out of 10 not the case. So it's always best to have a positive mindset, get a better health mindset, and think, oh yeah, well, what can I do to help myself not get this? Or what can I take? A bit of fruit, bit of veg, something, bit extra water, just to help me system out and just, yeah, feel better. So that's my little thought today on a Health Monday. Are you a problem solver or a solution solver? Have a good day today. All the best for now.